Right, so what are Venn diagrams? Venn diagrams are essentially little universes. So this is a universe and this is a universe. And why are they touching or overlapping? This is where the two universes overlap. So this is the universe of tennis players. This is the universe of softball players. Why is Miguel in this middle zone? This means he's in both zones, which means he plays both tennis and softball, okay? The rest of these guys, M, L, and P, or Maya, I'll put a Maya, it's different from Miguel. Maya only plays tennis. She's not in the softball zone. She's on the softball universe. Same with Lisa and Pablo. And with these guys, S, E, I'll say Martina, and then Christine and Charlie. These guys are only in the softball universe. They don't live in the tennis universe. Only Miguel is in both universes and plays both sports. Now the question is, how many people play softball? Well, clearly 5, but what about Miguel? Miguel is also in the softball universe, so he's counted in that number, therefore 6 total play softball. How many people play tennis but not softball? 1, 2, 3, but not softball. So there's 4 people that play tennis, but they said specifically just tennis and not softball. Miguel would not be included in this number, therefore we just got 3. And last, how many people play both tennis and softball? To play the 2 sports combined, it's just Miguel. If they say play tennis or softball, it would be everybody. But it's both those, it's just this one person who lives in both universes, which is Miguel. Soccer. We got L, L, A, S, A, L, E, P, C, T, I. I don't think the names matter that much. They're not that specific. Just want numbers. How many people play soccer? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, but also these guys as well. 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9 total play soccer. How many people play soccer but not tennis? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Because these guys play soccer, but they also play tennis, so they're not included. We just got 5. How many people play both tennis and soccer? It's everybody in both universes. A, S, A, L. So that is 4. D, M, R, R, A, S, Y, A, D, F, C. Okay. How many members does the dance club have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We got to include these guys because they're in the dance club. They're also in the art club, but they're in the dance club. So there's 5 people in the dance club. How many students are members of both the dance club and the art club, meaning both universes? That's 4. And how many students are in the art club but not the dance club? So these guys are in both. We're talking about just these students. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.